Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Dennis from Simplify Investing. Today I want to talk about the Container Store, ticker symbol TCS. I actually made an in-depth video on this stock about a week or two ago. I'll leave the link to that video down in the description below, but let's get started. So as you can see here, when I first reviewed this company was trading at like a $300 million market cap. It's almost at a $400 million market cap. Just this month, it's up 82%. As you can see here, in the beginning of the month of September, it was trading at about $4.39. I ended up beginning my position at about $5.90, and my cost basis right now is about $6.40. This company has gone up so quickly, I couldn't even fully build out my position. I only have a little bit over 1,400 shares right now. But as you can see here, they had an amazing day today. They had a 25.4% increase for the day, and almost a $1.60 increase for the day as well. So if you're not familiar with the company, I highly recommend you to check out the link in the description down below. It'll go in depth of all the bullish thesis that I have for this company. But just to keep it short, this right here is a Netflix series. It's called the Home Edit Get Organized. It's two ladies who go to people's houses and they reorganize their houses and use most of the products from the Container Store. All that TV show is an advertisement for the Container Store. So that's just something to keep in mind. But today, really, why the company shot up so fast was because of Bed Bath & Beyond's earnings. They have been a retailer that's been struggling in the past, and their stock has reflected it. But today, they had an amazing day just because of the earnings that they released. So I highlighted a few different things in this article that I wanted to talk about. As you can see here, online business surged more than 80% during the quarter, which is just amazing. A lot of brick and mortar stores have been struggling with online e-commerce, and Wall Street has noticed that, and it's really punished them for that. But as you can see here, they definitely picked up during the pandemic. Another thing I wanted to talk about, there's 2 million new customers during the period, many of them younger and spending more money per trip. And I think that's pretty important to realize because a large struggle that the company has been experiencing is not a lot of younger people end up going to the store. This store doesn't really attract younger customers. So that's really exciting news for the company. And also the EPS and the revenue was double B. They did phenomenal. What a double B is when a company beats EPS expectations and revenue expectations. So as you can see here, EPS was 50 cents positive, while Wall Street estimated a loss of 23 cents. So that's really impressive. Instead of losing money, they actually made money. From a company like this is really unexpected. They did extremely well. The revenue as well. Revenue was up 2.69 billion, while Wall Street anticipated a 2.6 billion revenue number. As you can see here, net income rose to $217 million, which is about $1.75 per share. And expectation was going to be a loss of $138 million, or about $1.12 per share negative, right? Another thing that excited investors a lot was same-store sales rose about 6%. So as you can see here, investors seem to be really excited, and it actually reflected into the Container Store as well. A lot of traders are assuming that the same thing that happened to Bed Bath & Beyond is going to be reflected to the Container Store. They do report in late October, so it's really exciting. It's something you want to keep an eye out for. So if you're new here, please hit that like button. It really helps out with this YouTube channel. Also subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.